Fiddlehead fern farming is a unique and sustainable agricultural practice that involves cultivating and harvesting young fern shoots known as fiddleheads. These fiddleheads are the tightly called, immature fronds of various fern species, and they are prized for their delicate flavor and nutritional value. Fiddlehead fern farming has gained popularity in recent years due to the increasing demand for these edible delicacies and their potential economic and environmental benefits. In this video, we will explore the various aspects of fiddlehead fern farming. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection. Fiddlehead ferns thrive in cool, moist, and shaded environments. Ideal locations include wooded areas, riverbanks, or areas with dappled sunlight. Soil should be well drained, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic. Planting. Ferns can be propagated from spores or transplanted from the wild. Spore propagation requires patience, as it can take several years to establish a mature fern bed. Transplanting mature ferns or crowns is a quicker method. Plant them in early spring or fall, spacing them about 12 to 18 inches apart. Maintenance. Fiddlehead ferns require consistent moisture. Mulching and regular watering help maintain soil moisture levels. Weeding is essential to prevent competition for nutrients. Fertilize with a balanced organic fertilizer as needed. Harvesting. Fiddleheads are typically ready for harvest in the spring when they are 4 to 6 inches tall. Harvest by snapping the cauled tip just above the ground. Be sure not to overharvest. Leaving some fiddleheads behind ensures future growth. Conclusion. Fiddlehead fern farming offers a sustainable and profitable venture for those interested in unique crops and culinary delights. Whether as a local market item or a specialized ingredient for gourmet chefs, fiddlehead fern farming presents exciting opportunities for agriculture and culinary enthusiasts alike. As the demand for exotic and sustainable foods continues to rise, fiddlehead ferns are well positioned to thrive in the agricultural landscape. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.